I gotta say, y'all, I could literally watch this all day. Well, maybe not all day, but a lot longer than a normal person would want to watch big machines dig dirt. I got permission to set up my GoPro during a dig out of the cow shark spot right as they got down the layer. The owner sets it aside for us so we can hunt for teeth. All they really care about is sand. Right now, they're just digging through the bottom of the Penn Holloway Formation, which is blue colored. And between the base of that and the hard bottom is where the goodies are. The fossil-bearing formation is a 3 to 4 foot section of ancient ocean bottom, greenish in color, with the bottom foot being a thick quartz phosphate lag deposit, and the top part a pristine formation where the fossils have never been disturbed. So far on that stuff, we've found amazingly preserved teeth of tiger sharks, bull sharks, mako sharks, and cow sharks, for which this spot is named. There are also stingray fossils, tons of different fish, dolphins, and even giant whales with vertebrae the size of car batteries. And we also find huge pieces of petrified wood and even the occasional Ice Age fossil. Look at this gloriousness. Rocks. Just pouring out of the bucket everywhere you look. Look at that. That's thick. Gotta be some good stuff in there, man. Gotta be. I wish I knew the name of the formation. Not a lot of study has been done on the formations we got here in the middle of nowhere. Somebody could probably go in there with a microscope and look at the pollen grains and come up with an age, but that's not me. I'm just out here hunting shark teeth because it's an awesome hobby and I'm lucky enough to have gotten access to this amazing site. You hear that hard scraping? There's no sand down there, so they don't go any deeper. It's super hard like the Ashley Formation, but it doesn't look like that formation. We've never found anything in it besides for shell imprints, but I'm holding out hope that someday they'll pull something out insane and I'll get to show it to y'all. Looks like they've pulled me out as much dirt as they're going to this dig, so let's go check out the piles. Lots and lots of layer in there though. Hopefully there's some good teeth. Can't really step in it because it's kind of sloppy. Can't even get to some of it because it's way back there. Yeah, this is definitely gonna have to dry some before we get in it. So you can see the rocks right down there. This might not have anything in it, this one scoop, but all the rest of them should. So chunky. Oh my gosh, look at this. There's a meg tooth. Oh, please be whole in the front. Please be whole. Oh, oh, oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's legit. That is legit. Oh, it's the most beautiful tooth I've seen in potentially ever. Wow. Oh, oh, I knew it would happen. Yeah, these piles look fantastic. Look fantastic. Wow. Wow. Gotta give it a rinse. Oh, it's got burlette. Oh, man. Oh, man. I am so stoked. Wow. What a beautiful tooth. What a beautiful Meg. There she is, all cleaned off, dried out. Beautiful tooth, 3 3/8 inches long. I know it's not huge, but it's super nice. Got all the serrations, all the enamel, whole root, the burlette. Really excited about this one. Been hunting out there, I don't know, maybe 15, 20 years, and this is my best Meg so far, so I was shocked that I finally got a nice complete one. I know I normally post more than one video, but this one had a really great story. I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and sign up for the notifications so you can get updated anytime I put out a video, because I'm always out hunting something. I will catch you next time. Till then, happy hunting.